Okay, for our first one, there is no decimal in the divisor, but there is one in the dividend. In this case, all we need to do is take the decimal and bring it straight up above the line. And then we'll divide as we normally would. 4 goes into 8 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. You'll subtract to get 0. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 0 0 times. Then we'll bring down the 5. And 4 goes into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 4. We'll subtract to get 1. And then we'll create a 0 to bring down. 4 goes into 10 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. We'll subtract to get 2. And bring down another 0. And finally, 4 goes into 20 5 times. Let's try the second one. Here there is a decimal in the divisor and none in the dividend. In this case, what we need to do is take the decimal and swoop it one place towards the right. So now we have a whole number. Whatever we do on the left-hand side, we have to do towards the right-hand side as well. So we'll create a decimal and swoop it one time towards the right. And then we'll fill in the empty place with a 0. From here, the decimal goes straight above the line. And we'll divide like before. 45 goes into 180 4 times. We'll multiply and get 0. So 4.0 is the final answer. Let's try the last one. Here there is a decimal in the divisor and the dividend. So we'll take the decimal from the divisor and swoop it towards the right as many times as it takes to reach the end of the number. In this case, it's 1 time again. Whatever we do on the left, we have to do on the right-hand side as well. And from here, the decimal goes straight above the line. Then we'll divide. 13 goes into 32 twice. We'll multiply to get 26. And subtract to get 6. Then we'll bring down the 5. And 13 goes into 65 5 times. It costs Paul $11.25 to put 9 liters of gas into his car. What was the price per liter? So here we have $11.25, and we'll divide by 9. There is a decimal in the dividends, and we'll take it and bring it straight up. 9 goes into 11 once. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract, and we'll get 2. Bring down the 2. 9 goes into 22 twice. 2 times 9 is 18. We'll subtract and get 4. Bring down the 5. 9 goes into 45 exactly 5 times. So our answer is $1.25. It takes Kristen 2 hours and 27 minutes to walk 3.5 miles. How long did it take her to walk 1 mile? So here we have hours and minutes, and we need to convert the minutes into hours. The formula to do that is to divide by 60. So that'll give us 0.45 hours. When we add the 2, that gives us 2.45. Then we'll divide by 3.5 miles. We have a decimal in the divisor and the dividends. So in order to get rid of the decimal in the divisor, we need to swoop it one place towards the right. Whatever you do on the left, you have to do on the right as well. So we'll swoop one place towards the right and then bring it straight up above the line. 35 goes into 245 7 times. 7 times 35 is 245. So our final answer is 0.7 hours, which is a little bit difficult to visualize in your head. We can convert 0.7 hours to minutes by multiplying by 60. So it took her 42 minutes.